Take a look at the 2007 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.4-liter engine, and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, remote keyless entry, running boards. Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tilt steering wheel, tinted glass, auto express down window, bucket seats, cloth upholstery, overhead console, power driver's seat. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.